A massive warning has just been issued for anybody using RD, which is Real-Debrid. Now, if you didn't know, RD is a great way, or really I would say the best way to enjoy all of your different streaming content from your favorite third-party streaming applications. It gives you the best quality, it gives you the most number of links, it gives you the highest quality bitrate. Really, if you are somebody serious about streaming in October 2024, there really is no better way to stream other than using RD. Now, the warning is for anybody using a VPN or specifically using Surfshark VPN, but also it's always advisable to double check your security settings inside RD to ensure that you are using the most secure, the most private settings. And here we can see they posted a message on their official X account, and many thanks to Daryl who actually shared this tweet with me. And you can see that they're saying hundreds of sharing warnings have now been issued in the last few hours, and the common denominator seems to be users from UK and also users using this particular VPN. Now, the way RD works to ensure that people don't share their account, it looks at your IP address. Now, if they see people logging in from multiple IP addresses using the same RD account, that's where they think you are sharing your account, and they end up issuing you these warnings and potentially your account gets banned. Now, many people still like to use RD with a VPN just to ensure maximum privacy, maximum security. And RD do actually have a list of recommended VPNs that they work with, which includes Surfshark and also includes VPNs like IPVanish. Now, when you use a VPN, your IP address will change because you end up using an IP address from your VPN provider. Now, RD have a list of all of these IP addresses from the supported VPN providers, so they know that you're not sharing your account. But what seems to have happened is for people using UK as a VPN location, Surfshark now seems to be using lots of random IP addresses, and these IP addresses are not inside the RD's database, which is why these false warnings have been sent out. So, and their recommendation is to use Netherlands, which is a major internet hub in Europe, to avoid this issue because, again, the IP addresses for Netherlands are already inside the RD database, so they know that you're not sharing your account. So that's really the first warning, which is for Surfshark users using RD, using UK as your location. Please move over to Netherlands to avoid this issue, or of course any other region or location out there. Now, the second one is something I do recommend that everybody checks on their RD account, and that's just to ensure that you are using the most secure settings. As you can see here on my account, you can see in my account settings, we have two options for the download port. So when you are downloading content from RD, should it use a normal port or should it use a secured port? And if you didn't know, using secured means you're now using encryption. So bad actors or your ISP or really anybody can't snoop in on your traffic because of that encryption. So do double check your settings. I think the default is normal. If you see it set like this, definitely change over to secured just to ensure that you do have maximum privacy and maximum security. I will leave a link in the video description and pinned comment if you want more information about exactly how RD works. And just before you go, guys, let me just quickly share that right now there's a super special offer. If you're looking for the best way to stay safe online, to protect your privacy, to change your IP address, to change your virtual location, right now you can get a super special offer where Surfshark are now saying you'll get access to 3,200 VPN servers in over 100 countries. You can stream in high quality 4K with zero buffering. You can change your IP address. You can protect yourself online. You can change your virtual identity. You can unlock all of your favorite streaming applications. To get all of that with 30-day money-back guarantee for just $1.99 a month. So really that price point to get that complete protection with super fast speeds, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the pinned comment and video description if you want to take up this special offer. Really appreciate your support, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.